I just found a YouTube channel that with only 12 shorts has gained nearly 70,000 subscribers. But here's another one that hit 420,000 subscribers with just 59 skeleton shorts created entirely with AI. But what's even more insane is that this second channel was created only 3 months ago and has already crossed 239 million total views, which allowed them to reach YouTube Shorts monetization requirements incredibly fast. And even though this channel is brand new, nearly every short they upload continues to pull in millions of views. That's why in this video, I'm gonna break down the entire method behind what they're doing and show you how to create skeleton shorts in this same niche for completely free. Now, some of you might think that channels like these aren't monetizable, but if we take a look at this creator, you can see their channel is already monetized and earning strong revenue per video. And the good news is that if you follow the complete process I'm about to share with you, creating videos like this becomes much easier to execute consistently. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start by generating compelling topic ideas for your video. Head over to ChatGPT and navigate to the Ask Anything section. Once you're there, paste in the prompt I've prepared for you. Now, don't worry about missing out on any of the resources. All the prompts featured in this video are available in my Telegram channel. Alternatively, simply drop a comment saying prompts, and I'll send you the complete prompt PDF directly. Here's what to do next. After pasting the prompt, you'll notice placeholder text that says number. Replace this with however many topic ideas you'd like to generate. For this demonstration, I'm going to request 15 ideas. Then hit generate. What makes this prompt incredibly powerful is that it doesn't just throw random topics at you. It actually breaks down each idea by explaining why it hooks viewers, what emotional driver it taps into, and even rates the difficulty level for creating that content. Once you've got your topic ideas locked in, it's time for the exciting part, creating your video script. Now, let's transform that topic into a full-fledged script. Open up the prompts PDF and locate the video scripting prompt. Copy it, then head back to ChatGPT and paste it into the input field. Here's the key step. Scroll through the prompt until you find the placeholder text that says Insert Topic. This is where you'll paste your chosen video topic. For this example, I'm going to select topic idea number 3 from our earlier list and insert it right there. Once that's done, hit generate. In just about a minute, you'll have a highly engaging, ready-to-use video script crafted specifically for your content. Next up, it's time to bring your script to life with VoiceOver. Open your browser and search for Google Studio AI, then click on the official link. Once the dashboard loads, navigate to the text-to-speech option and select Gemini 2.5 Flash TTS as your model. Now, let's configure your voice settings. On the right side, you'll see the mode options, single audio speaker and multi-speaker. Choose the single speaker option. Below that, you'll find a drop-down menu with various voice options. Listen to a few and pick the one that best matches your content's vibe. For this demonstration, I'm going with Enceladus. Time to add your script. Head back to ChatGPT and copy your entire video script. Return to Google Studio AI and paste it into the text field. Take a moment to clean it up. Remove any stage directions, formatting notes, or unnecessary text that shouldn't be spoken. Here's where we add the magic touch, style instructions. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I want to create voice with the help of Google Studio AI, so give me style instructions under 100 characters. Hit generate and it will provide you with a concise style instruction. Copy that instruction, return to Google Studio AI, and paste it into the style instruction field. You're all set. Simply tap run, and within a couple of minutes, your professional voiceover will be ready. Once it's complete, click the 3 dots next to the audio file and download your voiceover. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, creating your stunning skeleton visuals. Head to the prompts PDF and copy the entire image generation prompt. Then open a new chat in ChatGPT and paste it into the Ask Anything section. Here's the crucial step. Scroll through the prompt until you find the placeholder text that says paste your script here. Replace this with the complete video script you generated earlier. Once everything is in place, hit generate. Within moments, you'll receive detailed scene prompts for every skeleton animation, complete with environment settings, precise facial expressions, lighting setups, and camera angles. This level of detail ensures your visuals are cinematic and professional. Now, let's bring these prompts to life. Open your browser and search for Whisk AI, then click on the official link. Once the dashboard loads, click Enter Tools to access the creation interface. Let's configure your settings. On the left side, you'll see input fields for your subject, scene, and style type. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the aspect ratio option. Keep it set to portrait since we're creating short-form content. Under Settings, enable Seed Lock to maintain consistent character visuals throughout all your scenes. Time to upload your style elements. Navigate to the Style section and upload the reference image. Don't worry, I've included all necessary images in the prompts PDF. Then, under the Subject section, upload your skeleton character image. Here's where the magic happens. Go back to ChatGPT and copy Scene 1 image prompt. Return to Whisk AI, paste it into the scene field, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a stunning, detailed image ready to use. Repeat this process for each scene. Copy Scene 2's prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, generate, and so on. Continue until you've created visuals for all your scenes. Once all your images are generated, click on the My Library option, then select Images. Scroll through and download all the images you've created. With all your images downloaded, it's time for the final transformation. Open your browser and search for Meta AI, then click on the official link. Once the dashboard appears, locate the Ask Anything field and type Animate. Now click the plus icon, tap Create, then select Image. You'll see an option to switch formats. Choose Video instead. Time to bring Scene 1 to life. Upload your first scene image. While that's loading, head back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Give me the action prompt for each scene. ChatGPT will generate professional motion prompts tailored to each of your scenes. Copy the action prompt for Scene 1, return to Meta AI, and paste it into the Describe Animation field. Hit Animate, and within a minute, you'll have a perfectly animated skeleton video ready to use. Now let's continue with the rest. Upload your second scene image to Meta AI. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 action prompt, return to Meta AI, paste it, and hit Animate. Repeat this workflow for all remaining scenes. Upload image, copy corresponding action prompt from ChatGPT, paste into Meta AI, and animate. Continue this process until every single image has been transformed into a dynamic video clip. Once all your scenes are animated into professional video clips, it's time for the final assembly, merging them into one cohesive video. For this final step, I'll be using CapCut as my video editing tool. Launch the application and hit Create Project. The editing dashboard will load immediately. Time to import your assets. Click on Media and upload all your generated video clips along with your voiceover file. Once everything is uploaded, drag them into the timeline and arrange them in sequential order according to your script. Now for the precision editing. Start by fine-tuning your voiceover. Trim out any unnecessary pauses or dead space to keep the pacing tight and engaging. Then adjust the length of each video clip to perfectly sync with the corresponding section of your voiceover narration. Let's add some visual polish. Navigate to the Effects panel and search for Flash. Choose the effect that looks best to you and place it at every scene transition point. This creates smooth, professional-looking cuts that enhance the viewing experience. Finally, let's set the mood with music. Go to the Music section and search for Dark Cinematic. Browse through the options and select the track that best complements your content. Here's a pro tip. Keep the music volume relatively low so it serves as atmospheric background ambiance without overpowering your voiceover. You're ready to export. Once everything looks perfect, tap Export. Enter your preferred project name, select your desired resolution and frame rate, adjust any other settings according to your needs, and hit Export again to save the final video to your device. Now, let's see the results. And there you have it.
What if you never stopped running? Minute 1, your breath turns sharp and ragged. Your heart starts pounding like a drum in your chest. Minute 10, your legs burn. Sweat floods your eyes. Every step feels heavier than the last. Hour 1, your lungs ache for air. Your muscles begin to tremble. You're no longer running strong. You're surviving. Hour 3, blisters rip open. Your vision blurs. Your body screams for rest, but you ignore it. Hour 6, your steps turn sloppy. You stagger. Your heart is racing out of control. Hour 12, your muscles start breaking down. Your mind drifts. You can't think clearly anymore.
The final product looks absolutely incredible. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for all the prompts and resources from this video. We'll see you in the next one.